once again, fellow foolish mortals. This is Mario of Team White City Devils from TheSpearFactor.com, and we are in Montgomery, Illinois tonight to attend Massacre Haunted House. Always one of the top-rated haunts that we go to. Continues to just thrive and get better each passing season. It's insane. Come through with us in a fun little walkthrough. Got some media night coverage going on, so it's a good time. Let's get scared.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay.
Get in there and sit! Get in and sit! Come on! I don't have all day!
I'm sure you're all wondering why you're here. You deny culpability, no doubt, for the circumstances in which you find yourself. Let's play a game. You smell the putrid odor? And they will not stop until
Woo!
Let's go! Off and out!
Okay.
Off and out! Down the stairs! Go! You gotta go! Hurry it up!
Okay.
Or else I don't like it! Down and to the left! There we go!
Left.
Now, give it go!
Hey, look, Dr. Marie Curie. Ruh-roh. Oh my God!
Oh no, not yet. Oh my God.
Okay.
He's waiting for you.
God damn it.
You like my face?
I like your face.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
Yes! No, you don't. What you
Okay, it's so dark in here. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
No.
Oh, dude, I saw you and I still got it. Son of a.
Oh my God. Hi. Oh my God.
No, no,
Girl
no.
right there.
Terrified of monkeys.
Oh. Oh God. Oh my God. Woo!
Son of a bitch! I swear to God that was a prop. Son of a bitch. Oh God damn it. God damn it.
Oh my God. What are you doing? Why are you up there? Yes.
Go ahead and let me hear your confession.
My confession.
Yes.
Got the penis in
I
it.
have carnal thoughts, Father.
Carnal thoughts?
Yes.
Tell me more.
They're very, very dirty,
Oh,
Father.
you know what? Call me 666 Daddy, okay? Off to hell, though. No, seriously, you gotta go to hell now.
Oh, this is exactly how I thought hell was gonna be.
Hell.
Oh, okay, not like that though. I forgot. Oh no. Oh God.
Oh my God.
Hello!
Hi. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God.
No.
my dollhouse.
All right.
God, no! Jesus!
All right. My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo! Okay, cool. Oh my God. Squishy floors.
Oh my God!
Okay.
For right now.
Woo! The floors move.
Oh my God.
Not the
Floor
spider.
getting me.
Oh my God. Yes! Woo!
Oh God!
So this like, oh, he's pressed on it! Yay! You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm great.
You good?
Yeah, I'm great. Oh my God!
Oh my God! Yay! Oh my God! Everything just popped. Oh! Oh, that cool clown costume. So cool. What is that? Oh my God! Hi!
Oh, for God's sake!
Woo! Oh my God!
No!
Hey! Doing good, how about you?
Looking good, ain't you?
Yeah!
Oh God, a great time.
I have a mustache. Oh, wait.
I got it right in the face.
Paying the taxes. You come with your little cameras and your fancy little badges.
Try it.
Oh, what? No, not this time.
I don't know what happened to them.
Well, I don't think so.
Okay.
Whoever they say, don't pay it down to these IRS. They're rich and green. Whoa, one piece at a time, little boy.
I suggest you guys hang on my friend.
Threatening me. It was great.
I knew you were there. It still got me.
Oh, we're playing?
Stop right here. Go first.
Hi guys, come on through, come on through. Come on. Here goes the next one. Hi.
All right.
You're right there,
Thank you, thank you.
Right there. All
Is he
right.
the last one? Come on in, sir.
All right, yeah.
It's a little fussy.
Okay, I'll take it from over here.
Go right ahead. Go right ahead, sir.
Thank you.
You have AIDS.
Oh my God, hello.
No.
Well, hello everyone. This is Nancy and Drag, and I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. This was really fun to go through. We'll see you guys later.